Hey Kyle, what are you guys doing here?
Picking up some stone. Do I have any shirt on my face?
No.
Yeah, we're picking up the countertops so we can get this thing done.
Okay. How's it feel driving the van?
It's not fun, huh?
Is it hard to do?
Yeah. It's scary.
It's scary?
Yeah. Especially because it's my first time driving.
You'll get better. I've seen perfection. This is the cart. Hey, Big Trent, what are you gonna use this cart for?
It's an easier way to transport it into the house.
So you're literally like gonna use this like a dolly.
Yeah.
Cool. How does it work? It doesn't look like it can hold a slab of countertop.
Holds it on here, and these wheels expand so that they're perpendicular to the. Right now, the wheels are parallel. When you set it up, the wheels will be perpendicular.
Gotcha.
There's enough room. Enough room for the van.
Okay. Okay, pick up on it again. Okay. Right. Yeah, huh? Okay. Here, hold on. We're just gonna set this up there real quick. You want this side? You want to get on the hard side? Okay, you're gonna have to set it in between those things. See it under behind you?
Yes. Okay. Give me a second. Don't turn it, please.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Good work. Thank you.
Okay. Hold on. Bryce, help.
I'm trying.
Get down.
Yeah.
Out of the vehicle.
Yeah. Maybe move the wheel. Okay. Thank you.
There we go. Ready?
No. No.
Take this out of here. We don't need you. We ain't trying to get this. Just take that out of here and be very careful.
Break it down.
Break it down.
Which hand do you recommend I take?
You'll take that end. It's easier to pick up.
Okay.
So, oh wait, no. Take this out.
Yeah, because I don't want to have to dip the twist.
Do the twist.
And I dip my
All
back.
right, ready?
Yeah.
Put my balls on. When I dip, you dip.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, I know. It's a good one.
All right, one. So this one goes up, bang, roll, scoop. Like this. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! You're gonna have to get under it more.
Yep. Is it high enough?
Nope. We're gonna break that cord, homie.
Yep.
All right, don't put it down. Don't put it down.
All right.
Don't put it down. Lean it like this then.
Okay.
Ready? Touch the cabinet. Go to the next one.
Thanks, Doc.
Okay.
I love solutions.
Yeah, I know it's heavy when you're up there in the air and it's.
Yeah, it's too much to handle when you don't start your hands in the right place. That's what I didn't do.
Pull back to you.
Yep.
2 miles.